Hi everyone, I'm Gadis of Made by Mutiara and welcome to this tutorial of how I painted this galaxy clock with the quote coffee o'clock. All the materials I'll be using in this video will be linked down in the description below, but you can also use whatever you already have at home. If you are a beginner in watercolor, this tutorial will show you step by step of how to paint this galaxy clock. So let's not waste any more time and jump right into it. So the first thing you want to do is to draw a clock, and if you don't know how to draw a clock, just try to find one off of Google like what I did here, and then place the paper against the screen and trace the outline of a clock from there. To start painting the watercolor galaxy, you want to damp the paper first with some water on a brush so that when you add the colors later on, it will blend very nicely. And for the first layer of paint, I usually start with the lighter colors first, and from the middle, I slowly try to add more and more colors gradually. And then I usually use the darkest color of the galaxy, which in this case is the blue, to paint against the outlines very carefully so that you have a very neat outline after that. And for the details of the clock, such as the bells and some of these additional arms that I added later on, you want to use a smaller brush so that you don't add on too much paint for a very small area. So what I thought about adding the arms was as if the clock was scolding you and telling you that it's coffee o'clock time. And yeah, as some of the paint has dried up, you can see I just added more colors so that I get a very nice blend later on. And the next step is my favorite step because we get to use the Dr. P.H. Martin's Bleed Proof White, and this gives you the very nice opaque white for the lettering. But of course, please remember, before you do any lettering, make sure the watercolor piece is completely dry. And I wanted to add highlights to this piece, but the original silhouette didn't have it, so I actually used a reference photo and just saw where they placed the highlights in that silhouette and applied it to my piece over here. And the galaxy is not complete without the stars, so you do that by loading up your brush with some white paint and you just flick it all over the paper until you get the amount of splatters or white stars that you want. And yeah, that's the finishing touch. And that's it! I had so much fun painting this galaxy clock piece, and I hope that you try it too and tag me on Instagram at Made by Mutiara. If you enjoyed this tutorial, let me know down in the comments below or give this video a thumbs up, and also subscribe to this channel for more videos. What is this? What is this? Thank you so much for watching. If you want to watch another video, why don't you try watching this video? And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!